In this video, I'm going to show you the Auditchain Explorer, which is part of the Auditchain Suite. So in a prior video, I showed you where I ran the validation using the Pacioli logic engine, and that I could save this file to IPFS, but I can also save it to the Auditchain Explorer. That's what this option does. So that generates this link. If I click on this link, I'm taken to the Auditchain Explorer. So there's a dashboard, and on the dashboard you can see that everything checks out as expected. So there are rules that cover everything that we want to check to make sure that it's correct, and all those checks are consistent with what we expected. This is all the same information that is in this Pacioli output. So Pacioli actually drives the processing of all this. So I can click on this extended analysis, and for the report I can see each piece of the report. This is still a work in progress, so it's not exactly correct, but so if you go back up here to the balance sheet, there you see a rendering of the balance sheet, and this is pivotable. Let's see. Yeah, you can pivot this around and changes the view. There's the model structure, again a work in progress. You'll be able to click on each element and then go to information about that element. This is the fact table. Again, this is still not exactly the way that it needs to be, but it's getting there. These are the rules that relate to the balance sheet. It's basically saying that this actually is not for the balance sheet. This is for something else. That's the rule. That's the rule. Yeah, this is something. This is a standard rule. This is for the balance sheet right here. Okay. And you can view this using what XBRL calls a network, or what XBRL calls a component, which is a network plus a hypercube. And this is the more important piece, which is the block of information that is used to represent a disclosure. So I'm not going to go into this anymore, but that's pretty much the Auditchain Explorer. Still a work in progress, but you could give you a sense of where that's going.